QuizStudio review. Hey guys, this is Shan from IncaAcademy.com and you are watching my QuizStudio review. So in a nutshell, QuizStudio is a brand new cloud-based software that goes live on the JVZoo platform on the 14th of November, and it will be on a launch special discount. It allows you to create quizzes, polls, and surveys, all of them hosted on the cloud for you. That means you don't need to buy any hosting. Plus, it has done for you templates across all niches so that you can readily edit them and create your brand new quiz. On top of that, it allows you to create video quizzes. That means you can have this quiz as an overlay over a video. That can be a YouTube video, a Vimeo video, and that can be your own video or somebody else's video as well, which means you can leverage somebody else's videos to drive leads to your own business, which is quite amazing thing to have. And the best part, it comes at a one-time low price during this launch time. Now, if you are interested to know more about QuizStudio, then please stick on with me till the end of this QuizStudio review, because I do have got access to QuizStudio and I have created a couple of projects for myself. So let me quickly take you through so that you can get to know how easy it is. So here you can see this is one of the quizzes that I've created. Now you can see it comes with my own branding, which is quite amazing. And then if you just click on start the quiz, then you can see that there are questions that are coming up with answers. So you can select, you can have multiple choices. You can even add images and videos as answers. So that's quite amazing. Then once people just complete this quiz, let me complete it quickly. Then you can see it's asking for the lead. So people can enter their email. So let me quickly enter an email and just click on get lead. And you can see that there is the result. So they can click on get result and that will actually drive them to some other URL. That can be your affiliate link, your product link, any link that you wish to. So that's quite amazing. You can see it leads to Ministry of Freedom. So if somebody completes this quiz and goes ahead and purchases this offer, then I'm going to get paid more than $1,000, which is quite amazing things to have. And then I can lead the quiz in such a way that people end up buying this. So that's quite amazing. Then just to illustrate another feature that it has, that is the video quiz. Let me play this video. Now let me show you a quick way in which you can do it on your own video or somebody else's video as well. Now you can see this is one of my videos where I'm explaining the process of launch checking. And in here, right after 10 seconds, the quiz will appear right there. You can see over here. Now, the best part, you can't skip this quiz. You have to take this quiz or you have to exit. If you want to continue with the video, then the only way is that you need to take the quiz. Now again, the quiz is the same that I had shown you, so I'm not going through that. And once you have completed the quiz, it will start the video from right in here. So that's how interesting this is. If that sounds interesting and if you want to know more about the QuizStudio software itself, then please stay tuned till the end of this QuizStudio review. And just to let you know, I've got you covered with some insane, amazing custom bonuses, which you can find by going down in the description link below and clicking the link to my bonus page, which should take you to my bonus page. That should look like this, as you can see over here. And if you scroll down this bonus page of mine, you can find any and every info on QuizStudio. Now, I'm not going to go through that right now because I'm just interested in showing you the kind of custom bonus bundle that I have for you. Now, the first of my bonuses is Lead Fusion Elite that helps you to create more leads. Then there's Gram Suite that leverages the Instagram platform. Then there's Social Ultima that can help you to dominate the social media game on Autopilot. Then there's Easy Copywriter that writes ad copies, sales copies, and landing page copies for you. Then there's Lead Generation Mastery. Then I've got you covered with Customer List Builder. I've got you covered with Affiliate List Pro. And there are a ton of bonuses as well. Then I've got you covered with premium over-the-shoulder training on how to rank on #1 for gigs on Fiverr. Now you can raise a gig, like I'm going to create quizzes for you. And then if you can rank that gig on top of Fiverr, you can just imagine the kind of orders that you are going to get. Then I've got you covered with some video marketing softwares as well. Now it's not possible for me to go through each and every of my bonuses because that will take you more than 3 or 4 hours of time, which will be a waste. So I do request you to come over to this page and check for yourself how premium my bonuses are. I have got you covered with premium softwares like Take It, One Page Profits, Eugen Bots, Beast Funnels, YT Supremacy. Then there is VidRank News. Then there's Agency Business in a Box. Then there's Equinox. There's 57 done for you local marketing websites. Everything is there on the front end itself, which is quite amazing things to have. Then I have also got you covered with some extra bonuses in case if you do decide to upgrade with any of the OTOs of QuizStudio, or if you do decide to pick up the bundle of QuizStudio, then you are going to get this additional softwares, which are 16 premium software with resale rights to each of them. But remember, this bonus is an upgrade bonus. However, all the rest of the bonuses are applicable on the front end as well. So with that being said, now it's time for us to check out a quick demo. And then once we come back, I'll be revealing you a coupon code in which you can get $4 off right up on the front end. So stay tuned till the end of this QuizStudio review. Hey, so welcome to this QuizStudio demo. And as you can see, I'm within the QuizStudio dashboard. Now, there are three things that you can do, that is create quizzes, polls, and surveys. Now, for all of that, you just need to go down over here and click on create project. And that will allow you to create any kind of project that you want to. Now, I'm not going to create 3 projects because that will be a complete waste of time. All the other things are similar. I'll just create a quiz so that you can follow the same steps to create either polls or surveys. So let's click on create new quiz. And in here, this is the design that they have. Now, what this actually does is that it allows you to create a quiz from the scratch. If you wish to do it from any template, then again, on the dashboard, you can find there are tons of templates. Now, the template advantage is that everything is almost done for you. You just need to edit them and boom, you are good to go. However, creating it from the scratch isn't difficult as well. So I'm going to show you how to create it from scratch even so that you can easily create it from the template. So just click on create a project, click on new quiz as we did, and then give it a heading. So let it be welcome to NKR Academy. And then you can design over here. You can bring in pictures, images, you can embed videos, whatever you wish to. You can write whatever you want, like want to make money online, right? You can have it like this, and you can see it's coming over here. Then you can have a button over here. You can have the button text like start here, right? So that's how it works. And you can see a preview over here. So you just need to have a start icon button as well if you want to, that is if you want to change the icons. Then you need to go over the next step, that is questions. And in here you can give a project title. Now this will be extremely for your own purposes. This won't be shown anywhere else. So remember to give it whatever you like. And then you need to provide a URL. This is going to be the redirect URL. Once your visitor completes the quiz, right, then they would be redirected to this URL. Now, once done, you can just click on start making questions. And in here, all that you need to do is add a new question. And in here, you can write whatever question you want to, like which funnel do you use? So in here, then you can add an answer. And then you just need to click on add new. So there are 2 answers that we have. And in here, let it be ClickFunnels and let this one be systemy.io. I can even have images associated with the answers. I can even have different result sets. Say, for example, if they choose ClickFunnel, I'll send them to ClickFunnel affiliate link. If they choose systemy.io, I'll send them to systemy.io affiliate link. So that's how flexible these things are. You can make this answer mandatory as well. You can keep this optional as well. That's again up to you. So I'm not elongating this process. You can add as many questions as you like to. And then once done, you need to go over to the results page. And in here, you need to give the results. So in here, you can add an image, whatever you wish to, and then you can have a result like free guide or whatever you can write over here. So claim it here. Say I'm just giving it some values. You can definitely write better text over here. And then you can add different results as well, as I had shown. In case of ClickFunnels, I would have one result. In case of Systemy, I would have another result. That's the way to add those results, right? And then we need to design the lead form. And in here, we can capture the lead, or even if you don't want to capture the lead, that's fine. But I don't find any real merit on that. However, everyone would like to capture the leads, right? So we can give it a heading like give your best email to get a free funnel builder. And then we can write whatever you want to over here, like you can add your images, you can add videos, whatever you wish to. And then on the submit text button, you can just write like grab my funnel builder, right? And then you can go over to the results page, and in here you can decorate the result page. So here is the congratulations, your free funnel builder here. And then you can just have this as a link maybe. So you can just give it as google.com. So that's how it works. And that's how simple things are, right? So you can have your button like end button, like thanks or exit or whatever you wish to. And then you can go over to the design. And in here, you can brand it with your own logos. As you can see over here, this is quite good. And then if you do have any tracking codes, that is your Facebook pixel or your Google tag manager container ID, then you can put it over here and you can track the conversion. So that's how amazing things are. And that's how easy it is. And once this is all completed, remember to come back to this questions tab and click on publish. Toggle this one on and click on save project, and boom, you are done. You can see here it's success. So my campaign has been created, as you can see over here. So that's how easy it is. And then if you want to create a video project like I had shown you, just go over to this video project and click on create video. And in here, you can upload either from CDN URL or Vimeo or YouTube, or you can even upload your own videos as well. So just let it be YouTube. And then you can place the YouTube video URL over here, say any video that you wish to. And then you can have the time at which you want the quiz to appear, say 10 seconds. This is the minimum time that it has. And then once done, you need to select the project. Now, since I have two projects, I need to select which one will appear. So let it be 3-step masterclass. Boom, you can say it has been successfully created. So you can see the video have been created. So all the leads that you get from this, you will get it over here, as you can see. So this is quite good. Now, if you want it to flow to your autoresponder, you can just go over to this integrations, and in here you can integrate your autoresponder with it. Now, I have already done that, right? So that's quite cool. Now, with that being said, that was it for this quick demo. Now, in here, you can find the detailed tutorial as well, but I don't think you are ever going to need that if you're watching this demo right now, because it's completely easy to use. There is nothing rocket science in it, and anybody can use it. So that was it for this QuizStudio demo, and I really hope that you have enjoyed this QuizStudio demo. And if you are really looking to pick up QuizStudio, then why not via my link? Because I have given you some amazing, insane custom bonuses that you are going to find nowhere else. With that being said, if you want to recheck them again, go down on the description of this video and click the link to my bonus page, which should take you to my bonus page, which we have already gone a walkthrough of. And from my bonus page, you can scroll down to find any of these red buttons, clicking on which you would go over to the QuizStudio sales page, which should look like this. And in here, if you scroll down, you are going to find all these buttons, clicking on which you can get access to QuizStudio along with all my bonuses thrown in for absolutely free of cost. Now, all my bonuses would be directly delivered inside your JVZoo account. You just need to log into your JVZoo account, go over to your purchases, go over to QuizStudio, and from there, you can get hold of all my bonuses for absolutely free of charge. Now, with that being said, let's quickly jump over and discuss the pricing that it has. The front end is going to cost you $33 to $37 one-time price. Then there is a coupon code that I'll share right now, which will allow you $4 off right on the front end. So you can find it on the description as well. And it's going to be QuizStudio. Again, I'll leave it on the description. So you can apply that and get a $4 off. Now, the first OTO that it has is going to be priced at $37 for the early birds, and it's going to go up to $47. And it allows you the unlimited version of QuizStudio. So this is something that I do recommend you to pick up, because this will allow you to create as many quizzes as you wish to. The next one is done for you agency with white level. Now this allows you to white level the software and create unlimited client accounts, which is quite good. And it's coming at a one-time relatively low price of $97. So if you are looking to set up an agency, then this is something that you might be interested in. But again, that's up to you. I'm not going to tell anything on this. Then there's the reseller rights. Now, what I like about this reseller rights is that you are going to get reseller rights to not only the front end, but the entire funnel, which makes it a good choice. And it has an unlimited reseller rights too, but it's going to be priced at $197. So they have a bundle link as well here, and that is going to cost you $297. But if you go via my link, you can get a $50 off. That means you can grab it at $247. And at that price, you are going to get all of this, plus you are going to get QuizStudio. Now, this is something that I do like, and I do recommend you to take action on. But again, that will depend on if that is really required for you. If you're only looking for a quiz software, you are good to go with the front end. If you're going to go with the unlimited one, then that is also good. So you can just take action on the front end and the OTO one. But if you're really looking to resell this as a software and make more money out of it, or you are looking to start up an agency with it, and you are going to get that QuizStudio as a bonus to it. So the QuizStudio one would be the upgraded one. So Pixel Studio upgraded, I think itself is selling at around $200. So that's a good bargain to have. But again, that will be your choice and you are completely free to take your decision. If you go by my recommendation, then the front end is something that you definitely must not miss out. If you are looking to create a quiz, or if you're looking to create quizzes, polls, and surveys for yourself and a couple of your clients, then just start off with the front end and the OTO one. You don't need to buy anything else. Otherwise, if you're finding value in the funnel, you can just go for the bundle together, which is a good saving deal to have. Now, if you wish to take a look at the bundle deal, you just need to scroll down my bonus page until the last red button, which is the QuizStudio bundle, all upgrade included deal. Right here, you can see right at the bottom of the page. Clicking on which, you will go over to the bundle link page, and from there you can decide whichever you wish to. Now, with that being said, that's a wrap up for this QuizStudio review, and I really hope that you have enjoyed this QuizStudio review. If you have, please help me with a like and let me know in the comment section if you have got any questions regarding any part of this QuizStudio review. We'll meet again pretty soon somewhere over the internet. Until then, please take care of yourself and your families, and don't forget to keep rocking, keep learning, and keep making money online. Signing off is Shan from NK Academy. Take care. Bye-bye.